Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here and watching the videos. I do truly appreciate it. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I think I already said that, but I do. If you're new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join us here, and make sure to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. I love talking with you guys, but as you can see from the description, we have the November 2018 Target Beauty Box. I am super excited. I did already do an unboxing and you guys have seen the video of the Target holiday box, so I was super excited to see that they did actually come out with their regular beauty box for the month of November. It is $7. And if you are not familiar, this is not actually a subscription. This is, you get an email or you can just keep checking their site. I will put a link below. Every month, it's usually the second Monday. They have been known to change it up, so that is why, like I say, you keep checking, and they will put at least one, if not two, sometimes three different beauty boxes to choose from. The good thing about them is, like I said, they are $7. It is free shipping, and the shipping is always very fast. Like, I got this like in 2 days, but you can see what's inside the box, so you know what you're getting. So we're gonna dive in here and take a look. So it looks like the theme for this month is Hello Hydration. It says wintertime brings a lot of joy, sparkling snowflakes, hot cocoa, the holidays, but the harsh elements can also throw off skin's pH balance and strip hair of its shine. So what's a gal to do? Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that'll fend off your winter woes and help you maintain your glow all season long. And the one thing I do like about the Target Beauty Box is it does always come with a $3 off your purchase of 15 or more of cosmetics, skincare, hair care, all that great stuff. And it does tell you about each of the items in the box. So let's peel back the tissue paper. So more tissue paper this month then. And this is what it looks like inside. Looks like we have 6 items. So I am just going to go here first. This is from Bliss. This says Drench and Quench Cream to Water Hydrator for All Day Moisture. Drink up. Feel this ultra lightweight moisturizer transform into water on contact for intense yet weightless hydration. And it is cruelty free. So here. Oh, that's a good size. That's bigger than I thought it would be. Oh, it smells so good. So I like that. I like moisturizers that sometimes are water-based. One of my favorite is the Tarte Drink of H2O, because it does give you all of that moisturization, but it doesn't make your skin feel greasy, or it's just, I do like it. So this again is from Bliss. Let's see what it says. Lightweight cream to water hydrator surges skin with all over 10,000 marine micro droplets for intense hydration and improved moisture barrier within 4 weeks. All right. So next we have from Aquaphor Lip Repair Immediate Relief for Severely Dry Lips. Proven to relieve dryness and soothe chapped, cracked lips. It is fragrance and paraben free. I like that it is safety sealed. Nourishing vitamins, shea butter, and chamomile essence help relieve dryness quickly and soothe chapped lips, providing long-lasting moisture for a perfectly smooth pout. So I like this. I have tons of lip balm, and this time of year we absolutely do need lip balm, but having something like this that is a little bit more intense, I do like just in case the lip balm is just not cutting it, we have this option to rescue our lips, because I don't know about you guys, but there's nothing worse than having like the cracked, dry lips. So very happy to have that. And here we have from L'Oreal, it says Hydra Genius. Okay, so it's like a little pump. I was like, how do we get it out? So here is this. And let's see. L'Oreal Hydra Genius, I don't know why I'm having such a hard time with that. Liquid Care Moisturizer. Aloe water and hyaluronic acid provide 72 hours of intense and continuous hydration, so skin is fresh and glowing. Yeah, I like this. I like that we get to try this. So, excuse me. Here we have from Lamine, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, Velo Overnight Cream. Potent combination of vitamins, extracts, and hyaluronic acid boosts skin's radiance overnight, so you'll wake up to a softer, brighter looking complexion. It says trick. Applying toner before helps balance your skin's pH so it can better absorb the yummy ingredients. I'm probably going to use this tonight. Lamine Nordic Sea Overnight Bright Sleeping Cream. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see that. I dropped the lid, and it is safety sealed. Gotta love our safety seals. I say that, and I do love safety seals, but for some reason, lately I am just having the hardest time getting them off. Oh, this looks intense. Oh, sorry. Doesn't really have much of a smell, but you guys, can you see? Like, it looks like some intense. Oh, y'all, that feels so nice. Like, that really, really does. And a little bit seems to go a long way. Yes, I will be trying this tonight. Okay, I don't really smell it here, but when I've applied it to the back of my hand, it has a very, very light citrus scent that I pick up. So yeah, I will be using that tonight for sure. And then our next two products go together. They are from Hask Monoi. I don't know if I'm saying that. Monoi. It is a shampoo and conditioner. They are the Coconut Nourishing shampoo and conditioner. Let's see. Target has gotten much better. They are putting these like seals on stuff so it doesn't leak, and I love it. Sticking to me. All right, so we're going to start with the shampoo. So here's what it looks like, and as you can see, it's a really good size, 3.3 fluid ounces. Softening oils and a blend of Tahitian gardenias hydrate and strengthen strands for refreshed, revived tresses. And it is sulfate and paraben free, which is great. Moisturizes and revitalize. All right, let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells like a pina colada. That smells really good. So that is the shampoo. And the conditioner, rich blend of hydrating oils, helps protect against damage, leaving frayed ends tangle-free and limp locks lush. Say that 5 times fast. Yeah, same thing. Moisturizes, revitalizes, free of sulfates and parabens. So, yep, smells like pina colada. I like that they both have the like pop top lids. And again, as you can see, it's a really great size. So I think for $7, it's definitely worth it. The sleeping cream, I cannot wait to try tonight. And like I said, it does have a very, very faint citrus smell. But it is like super thick and creamy and awesomeness for your face. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I will leave a link down below so you can check for the Target beauty boxes. They are $7 a month. Sometimes they are more, it just depends. And like I said, sometimes they do have more than one. Love the Target beauty box, and I love that you get to see what you're getting. So like I said, that link will be below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and give me a big thumbs up if you liked the video, and make sure again to leave a comment. I love talking with you guys. So have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.